Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide app on home and app screen in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your app screen. From here tap on three dots and then go to settings. Now from here go to hide apps on home and app screen. Now from here you can hide any app as you want. If you want to hide Facebook, just select it and then tap on done and it's done. Now if you go back app screen, now you can see Facebook is hidden from app screen. Now if you want to unhide Facebook, go to same settings again. From here tap on this minus icon to unhide any app and then tap on done and it's done. Now if you go back app screen again, now you can see Facebook is removed from hidden app list. And that is how you can hide app on home and app screen in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.